This is an unboxing. Dr. Ted Gundry. Or Gundy? Anyway, this has to do with the lecithins or lectins. And we're wanting to get healthier, so we're trying this BioComplete 3. Maybe it'll help our heart or our brain or our intestines or something. I don't know. We're gonna try. I bought this lamp at a thrift store on the way to Marietta. I really like it. I've got a lot of art from Teresa. She's a photographer, my younger sister. And so I've hung it on one wall. It's her gallery wall. And I have collected too many things. There's a wonderful book called Buried in Treasure. And I think that I've become buried in treasure. I need to find somebody I love and start giving them pretty things, or I need to start selling pretty things. Not out of my china cabinet, though. I really like my china cabinet. Teresa gave me the 3 sisters because I'm the middle of 3 sisters. And I have some chinoiserie, that is Oriental Imari, and those are the 2 pieces. I only have 2, and that's fine. And I have a lot of platters, blue fostoria, blue willow, and some Limoges. This is the Queen Elizabeth rose that Bob planted for me. My mom had one, and he asked me what kind I wanted, and I told him, and so we have a Queen Elizabeth rose. We've had it for 25 years or more. And I went shopping and I bought some plants yesterday that were in solo cups that a lady grew. I did not do winter sowing this year. I just couldn't get into it. Maybe it's because I am alone too much. Anyway, have a wonderful day. Have fun.